Guess what I got? It's a new planner. I know it's weird to probably see a planner on my channel because it's been a minute. So the only thing I did was cut this open and I'm dying to see. I haven't even looked inside. You guys would be proud. I literally just cut it open. I mean, right here. All right, I think there's an invoice. Okay. Okay, I think you can tell what I got. Well, it probably says it in the title. Let's be real here. So, some cards. There's a discount code on the other side for Annie Plans. So cute. Ironically, I have been ordering from Kane for a very long time. Oh, this is really nice. Cello, and I called him a girl the first time I ordered from him. I'll see if I can link the video below. I mean, it's a super old video, or I'll link it somewhere. Oh, wow. Okay, so I got the 12 blank monthlies, 52 weeks on 2 pages. Oh yeah. 7.4 by 3.7. So it's the same size as the weeks. I have a weeks. So this is the back. And that's where his logo is, which I actually like that his logo is on the back. Not that I wouldn't mind it on the front, but on the black embossed with this like embossing, on point, Kane. So let's zoom out just a little bit. So again, this is the size of the weeks. And you have first blank page. You also have ribbon, which is nice. And this planner belongs to, oh, that's way, sorry. There you go. This planner belongs to another blank page. And then we come into your first monthly, which is 5 and 3, and then a blank little line. And so I'm assuming all 12 are up front. Yeah. Perfectly fine. Okay. Then we jump right into the first week. And what I really like about this one, I wish I grabbed my weeks. It's in the other room, and you know, I probably should be a good YouTuber and go get it, but you know, I'm like almost 7 months pregnant, so I'm not a good YouTuber anymore. But I love that this is vertical. I know that sounds so stupid. I liked the weeks, but it was horizontal. I love this is vertical because I am a vertical girl, okay? Vertical. Put this in place, it's a vertical. And then again, you're gonna have 8 million pages of these. It's gonna be a real short video. And then you also have the grid in the back. And I think it just is grid. Oh, a couple blank, but I think those are just the ending blanks to the beginning blanks. And then you have some grid. So, again, I love that this is vertical, and I did go black because I'm a boring person and I don't like fun colors. And the spine, people had talked about the spine, I don't know, let me see. The spine separating up here. It's supposed to, because this might be a better view. This needs to give way to the ever expanding book. I don't know if you can see that. So see, it's not actually glued on down here, and I've seen people drop some charms in here, which I think is great, but you can see, like, I mean, you can see the glue right there, but that's like to the pages, not to the spine. So I think that's great. It allows you to have space to get it bigger, because you have to think, if you are putting stickers in here, it's just gonna get bigger. So it gives you that flexibility. Sorry, it's not in focus. It's giving you that flexibility for the pages to open and shut, which I feel like some planners don't really give you that. It's like super stuck, and then you're like, oh, I can't even open the planner. So That I want to give Kane a lot of props to, because I feel like that was missing, especially in the Erin Condren one, if I'm not mistaken, because I tried the hardbound planner for like a second, not my fave. But this is speaking to me, and I think in my current state of almost 7 months pregnant, this will be perfect because I can actually put things that I want in here. It's like a lot less decorating, and I gotta see if I'm gonna be a sticker girl or if I'm gonna be a pen and like highlighter girl. I don't know. I might be a sticker girl again, okay? We're just not gonna make any promises. So, all right, this was a very quick review because this planner is awesome. I love it, and I'm really excited to get into it. I'm not gonna wait till the new year. I'm gonna plan this upcoming week. And you know what? I may take you along with me. Let's do that. Let's do a plan with me in this and see how terrible I am at filming plan with me's. Let's do this, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.